This 5-minute solution will show you how to unhide photos and videos on iPhone. So follow these simple steps to unhide photos and videos on iPhone. First of all, go to your settings, scroll down and tap on photos. Enable shared albums and hidden albums. Then go to your photos app. And I'm going to hide this photo. And to unhide photo, tap on albums at the bottom menu. Scroll down, tap on hidden. Now open the photo or video you want to unhide. Tap on the share icon at the bottom left. Tap on unhide. And that's how we can unhide photos and videos on iPhone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.